So I bought another SpotLight cam, but this time it's the solar one. So if you subscribe to the video, or perhaps you've seen my other video around Ring products, a few months ago I bought one of these, the Ring SpotLight Cam battery edition, and I'm really happy with it. It does get through batteries faster than I expected. There was another video that I put about a calendar month, depends on activity. I have quite a lot of wildlife, so I think it's the foxes at the night that are turning the light on, etc., and getting through the power. But I knew that was a potential issue. I didn't want it to be hardwired. I also didn't want it to be solared because I didn't want to have the panel on the front of the house. However, I decided to pick up another one of these with the solar panel for the driveway, because I'm happy to have a solar panel up on the garage roof. And also I currently have a StickUp camera that's solar powered that's working really well. But one of the things I noticed when I got this SpotLight camera, aside from obviously the fact that it's brighter when it's using the lights, but even in IR mode it has much better clarity. The picture is much better. I'm also going to mount it a little bit lower because I think I kind of mounted the StickUp cam at kind of the high threshold. So not going to go through all the details of how to set this product up. If you want to see more, obviously you can check out the video. I just do a super fast unboxing just to remind everyone what's in there. And one of the things that people may not be aware of is the solar panel for the SpotLight camera is different to the solar panel for the StickUp camera. So you can't just add one of these new cameras to your existing solar panel. So that's something that I think is worth making people aware of. So, as per usual, the usual stuff in the box. The SpotLight camera itself in black, also available in white. Take a little plastic cover off. Inside we have a couple of stickers, instruction guides, manuals, warranty cards, that sort of thing. Then we have my favourite bit, which is the ring screwdriver, the drill bit, the USB charge cable, the mounting screws, the mounting bracket, and the battery. So everything you need to get this thing up and running. That's what I love about Ring products. I mean, I've got loads of these little screwdrivers now, but they come in handy. Even you can keep them in the car or in a little toolbox. So, like I say, setup is pretty straightforward. What people I think is probably going to really be interested in is how does it work and what does the solar panel look like. So again, solar panel comes in black or white to match the camera that you decide to go with. Everything is nice and clean. The box is well padded, so that there's no chance of that solar panel getting damaged during transit. We pop this open, and this is one of the key things that people are going to notice is the difference in that connector. This is more like a small jack plug connector, where I think from memory on the StickUp camera it was micro USB. Everything else seems exactly the same. It's a 2.2 watt solar panel, and obviously I can do a follow-up video in the future, but if there's no reason in my mind why this cannot be comparable to the StickUp camera. And I've had that now a year in the UK, so through the summer and the winter, and the lowest it ever got down to I think was 48% battery, and that actually turned out because the solar panel had tipped over in some really bad wind where I just velcroed it. So I've put that back and it's now slowly climbing back up to near 100 again. So see no issue. And obviously the added advantage of the StickUp camera is you have the ability to have dual battery support in there. So I'm starting off right now with only one battery, but if I needed to, if another 20 or 30 pounds where it is, can add another battery. So then you've got two batteries. So based on your current experience, that's at least 2 months of the kind of activity that I see out the front working on this, plus the charging of the solar. So I mean, I think it makes perfect sense. If I can, I'll try and add a couple of nighttime comparison pictures between the StickUp camera and a SpotLight camera now. Obviously they're slightly different vantage points because I've mounted it slightly differently, but yeah, everything else is the same. Exactly the same kind of mount as for the StickUp camera solar panel. So again, there's videos for that as well. I'm not going to waste your time with all that, but again, you get the same stuff. Another screwdriver, another drill bit, and that's it. So I think if you don't want the ugly cables, but you are happy to have a solar panel somewhere, definitely check out the solar panel that supports the SpotLight camera. You cannot use your StickUp camera with it. I'll do a follow-up video in the future, I think, in general of my Ring products, and yeah, tell you guys I'm still loving it. An interesting side note, just as I finish this video, at the time of doing it, Amazon have just announced that they're buying Ring. So, you know, who knows what's going to happen? Is it going to be amazing? Is now going to be part of your Prime subscription? Is it going to be separate? Are they going to utilize Ring further to enable people to make Amazon deliveries into your house? There's also been some controversy about that with Amazon so far. So yeah, there you go. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. I'll tell you more about this as I get on, and then as we kind of go into the springtime, I think I'll do a wrap-up video on how I'm liking or not liking my Ring products so far. As a side note, I'm sure you noticed I've got a different background, if it worked okay. I got this old green screen that I haven't used in ages, so I thought, well, I'd kind of just change things up a little bit and use a green screen for a change. What do you think? Thumbs up if you liked it, leave a comment, give me some feedback. Perhaps you don't care, let me know that as well. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe and share these videos. I want to try and get over 1,000 subscribers, at around 380 odd right now, so anything you can do will really help. And then once we get to that, perhaps we can look at doing some sort of giveaway, maybe one of the quadcopters I tested before, or a Ring product or something. So thank you very much for your help. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.